Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to play a modded version of the game Top Heroes. So this is for iOS and Android. So as you can see, I'm not rich at all, nothing. But in the mod menu, as you can see guys, we can get unlimited diamonds. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on just to show you guys it actually works. So I just enabled that right here. So the diamonds should start increasing now. I'm not sure it's even going to work, but I tried this on another phone and it worked. So I bet you it's going to work. So let's see what happens. And oh my gosh, it's working! So I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version of Top Heroes for iOS and Android. Super cool. So let's get straight into the video. And I'm going to show you exactly to get it. So it's pretty easy, honestly. Just go to your browser and navigate to the website tweakmod.com. So once you're on the site, guys, just type in Top Heroes, and there it is. So go ahead and press install. So before this downloads, there is going to be one more step, which is the verification. So basically what you have to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It's pretty simple, so you guys should not be too confused by this, but I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, so yeah, it's super easy. So as you can see, it's loading right now. So we're just going to give it a second to load up. And basically, we got to download 2 of these apps from the App Store. So basically, you can see it says missing files. So it doesn't really have to be the same ones as me, especially because you may be in another country. But for me, I've got like Underdog Fantasy. It says download and run for 30 seconds. That's pretty easy. Then there's like Travel Town, where I have to reach level 9 on the game. I mean, there's a video here you can watch if you're really confused, so that's cool too. But I'm going to see you guys later. So that's how I get Top Heroes Hack for Your Device 2025. Super insane, guys, and it is fully updated.